Rope shovel. A rope shovel is a large excavating machine used in surface mining. It uses a bucket suspended by cables, ropes, and controlled by a system of pulleys and winches. Rope shovels are extremely powerful and capable of digging into tough overburden ore deposits. They are best suited for large-scale mining operations such as coal or iron or extraction where massive volumes of material need to be moved efficiently. Walking dragline. Walking draglines are among the largest pieces of mining equipment ever built. They are used in surface mining to remove overburden above coal seams or deposits. Equipped with a massive bucket suspended on a boom, the dragline drags material back toward the machine using cables. Instead of tracks, they use walking mechanisms that lift and move the entire machine forward. Their immense size allows them to move millions of tons of material, making them highly efficient but costly and complex. Bucket wheel excavator. A bucket wheel excavator is a continuous digging machine with a large rotating wheel fitted with multiple buckets. It is mainly used in large-scale open-pit mining, especially in lignite. Bucket wheel excavators can move thousands of cubic meters of material per hour, making them some of the most productive machines in mining. They work continuously, unlike shovels, which operate in cycles but require enormous investment and infrastructure. Hydraulic mining shovel. A hydraulic mining shovel is a large, powerful digging machine used in surface mining to load massive amounts of rock and ore into haul trucks. Unlike smaller excavators, it is built on a much larger scale with a front shovel attachment that allows it to dig into benches of material and scoop heavy loads efficiently. These machines typically weigh hundreds of tons and have bucket capacities ranging from 30 to 80 cubic meters, enabling them to fill ultra-class mining trucks in just a few passes. Mounted on crawler tracks for stability, hydraulic mining shovels are essential for fast, continuous loading in open-pit operations. Front-end wheeled loader. Front-end wheeled loaders are versatile machines with a front-mounted bucket used for scooping, lifting, and transporting loose materials. In mining, they are often used for loading trucks, moving stockpiles, or clearing debris. Their mobility on wheels makes them more maneuverable than tracked excavators, although they may not be as effective on very rough terrain. Scraper. A scraper is a large, heavy-duty earth-moving machine designed to cut into the ground, collect material in a hopper, and transport it to another location. In mining, scrapers are used to remove overburden or level ground. They are effective over medium distances, but less efficient than haul trucks for longer transport. Mining dump truck. A mining dump truck or haul truck is a massive, heavy-duty vehicle used in open-pit mining to move large volumes of ore, coal, or overburden. Built far larger than regular dump trucks, they can carry 100 to over 450 tons in a single load. These trucks have a rigid frame, giant tires, and a rear dump body that tips hydraulically to unload material. They are powered by extremely powerful diesel or diesel-electric engines, giving them the strength to haul loads up steep mine roads. Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump trucks differ from rigid mining dump trucks in that they have a pivot joint between the cab and the dump box, giving them excellent maneuverability. This makes them ideal for smaller mines or sites with rough, uneven terrain where rigid trucks may struggle. Their flexibility allows them to navigate tight turns and haul material in more difficult conditions. Bulldozer. Bulldozers are powerful track machines with a large front blade used for pushing, leveling, or clearing material. In mining, they are used to strip overburden, build haul roads, manage stockpiles, and assist in site preparation. Their tracks give them stability and traction on rough ground, making them indispensable in both surface and underground mining support work. Grader or motor grader. Graders are long, wheeled machines equipped with a centrally located blade. They are primarily used in mining for road maintenance, ensuring haul roads are smooth, graded, and properly sloped for safe operation of heavy trucks. Shuttle car. Shuttle cars are used in underground coal mines to transport coal from continuous miners to conveyors or feeder breakers. They are battery or cable powered and operate in a shuttle system, continuously moving between the face and the haulage system. Their low, compact design allows them to operate in confined underground passages. Side discharge loader. A side discharge loader is a compact, track-mounted machine widely used in underground coal and soft rock mining. It is designed to collect material with a front-mounted bucket and then discharge it to the side, directly into mine cars, conveyors, or shuttle cars. The side discharge design is especially effective in the confined spaces of underground mines, where there is limited room to maneuver larger equipment. Side discharge loaders are built with a low profile to fit into narrow mine gallery. Load haul dump. A load haul dump machine, or LHD, is a type of underground mining loader designed to scoop blasted material, transport it over short distances, and dump it into haul trucks or passes or crushers. Unlike a side discharge loader, which unloads to the side, an LHD carries the load forward and dumps it by tipping its front bucket. LHDs are built with a low, compact profile to navigate the narrow, low-roof tunnels of underground mines and equipped with articulated steering for maneuverability. Continuous miner. A continuous miner is a large machine used in underground coal mining. It uses a rotating drum fitted with sharp picks to cut directly into the coal seam. Unlike traditional drilling and blasting methods, continuous miners allow for uninterrupted coal extraction and are widely used in room and pillar mining operations. As the drum breaks the material, on-board gathering arms and a conveyor system immediately load it onto shuttle cars, conveyors, or directly into haulage systems. Roadheader. A roadheader is a continuous excavation machine widely used in underground mining and tunneling. It is designed to cut rock, coal, or without the need for drilling and blasting, making it safer and more efficient in certain environments. The machine features a boom-mounted cutting head equipped with sharp picks that rotate to grind into the rock face. As the material is broken down, it is gathered by loading arms and transferred onto an integrated conveyor system, which moves the debris to shuttle cars or the mine's main haulage system. The boom-mounted head can be raised, lowered, or angled, allowing the operator to shape tunnels precisely, even with curves or varying cross-sections. Longwall miners. A longwall miner refers to the full longwall mining system, where specialized machine extracts coal along an extended face of the seam, often 200 to 400 meters long, in a continuous, highly productive process. The central cutting unit is the longwall shearer, sometimes a plow in very thin seams which traverses back and forth along the face, cutting coal that falls onto the armored face conveyor running the length of the wall. What makes the longwall miner unique is that it doesn't just cut coal, it integrates cutting, loading, roof support, and face advancement into a single system. Above the working area, rows of hydraulic roof supports hold up the rock strata, while the shearer cuts the coal. After each pass, the supports are advanced forward, allowing the roof behind them to collapse in a controlled way. This process creates a steadily retreating mining face. In essence, the longwall miner is not a single machine, but an integrated system. The shearer or plow for cutting, the armored conveyor for transport, and hydraulic supports for safety. That make longwall mining one of the most productive and safest underground coal mining methods. Rock bolters. A rock bolter is a critical piece of equipment in underground mining and tunneling, used to stabilize the roof and walls of excavated areas. After rock or coal is cut and hauled away, the surrounding ground can be unstable, creating a high risk of collapses. Rock bolters address this by drilling holes into the roof or walls and installing long steel bolts, cables, or mesh that bind the rock layers together, preventing falls aground. A typical rock bolter is a track or wheel-mounted machine with one or more hydraulic drilling booms. These booms drill angled or vertical holes into the mine roof or sidewalls. Once drilled, the machine inserts bolts or anchors, sometimes with resin or cement grouting, to secure the rock. Many machines also carry roof mesh or plates that spread the load across larger areas, further improving stability. Shotcrete machines. A shotcrete machine is used in underground mining, tunneling, and civil construction to apply shotcrete, a form of concrete or mortar that is sprayed at high velocity onto rock surfaces for ground support and stabilization. This sprayed layer creates a protective lining that binds loose rock, prevents small collapses, and provides a stable surface for further reinforcement. Water sprayer. In mining, water sprayers, sometimes called dust suppression sprayers, are machines or attachments designed to control dust, cool working areas, and improve visibility and safety in both surface and underground operations. Dust is a major hazard in mining, as it can impair visibility, damage machinery, and cause serious health issues like pneumoconiosis or black lung disease and silicosis. Water sprayers work by releasing a fine mist or high-volume spray of water directly at cutting, drilling, or hauling points where dust is generated. In underground mines, they are often mounted on continuous miners, roadheaders, shearers, or conveyors to suppress airborne particles at the source. In surface mining, larger versions are mounted on water trucks or cannon-like sprinklers to control dust across haul roads, stockpiles, and blasting areas.